Hey guys, just a quick one here. I'm going to make some bruschetta, and look, I'm a little busy, I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm doing. I've got some little mini Roma tomatoes from Woolworths cut up with some, I'll turn the light on, with some my fresh basil from my garden, of course, and little clove of garlic. I think that's it. What, 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, all right? I think I said everything. And I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil in there. Nice splash. You want a good splash. And give that a mix. Some salt. So I've got some cooking salt. Just putting a pinch in there for now. And give that a mix if I had two hands. And then I'm going to cut up some camembert cheese and of course some prosciutto crudo, prosciutto. And we're going to use my fresh bread that I just made. So what you do, grab my fresh bread, you cut a toast slice out of that, toast it up, and then grab another clove of garlic and you rub it along the toast dry like that, right? I'm not going to show you that because I'm sure you can work it out. I rub it on each side, right? Put it on a plate, and then just put your camembert, little slices of it, and your prosciutto, and all this ingredients here on top. And that's it, done. So I will do a photo of the finished product, but I'm really hungry and probably low blood sugar, so I gotta eat something. Hope that helps. See you on the next one.